How to add a local part to a product. Local parts are unique components or 3D printed items that only exist once. They are a substructure and a part of an assembly, and they cannot be used by other main product. So adding those parts, these are added directly in the product editor. You basically add name, article number, description, manufacturer method, etc. to get to the part and then save it. You can also notice that self-print, 3MF models, STL 3D models, and part images are all part of local parts as well as instance parts. You also have the buy part link, which is the direct link, the actual URL to the e-commerce site where this part is located for purchase. And of course, you choose the material for such a part, and these have to be predefined in the material database. That's how you build a local part to be only visible and uniquely added to a specific product.